I'm gonna vlog today. Today is Tuesday. It is already 11:30, and I wanted to get this started earlier and then I didn't. I have some things I want to share with you guys that I bought recently, so I'm going to show you while I'm upstairs. Right now, I'm kind of in a cleaning mode. There are some things that needed to be cleaned, some things that needed to be organized. So I'm just kind of like checking things off my mental checklist as I go throughout this week. So like yesterday I did one of the bathrooms, today I did the other bathroom. I need to vacuum upstairs. I already did downstairs. Last week I vacuumed the whole downstairs. I need to do upstairs. But first, let me show you something super exciting. If it's glaring, I'm sorry. It is what it is. But you guys, in May, I got an email and it was from Urban Decay and it asked if I wanted to be on the PR list. I wasn't really sure if it was a scam, but it didn't look like a scam. And it was just a simple form and it didn't have like too much personal information. So I filled it out. Months later, because I was in May, literally a week or two ago, I received this in the mail, you guys. I've never received PR packages before. You guys know I do collaborations, I do sponsorships on YouTube, but I've never had like PR where they just send it to you and that's it. And like, they don't ask you to do anything. They just sent it to me. And I'm like, how is this life right now? You guys, I have a couple of clips. My daughter decided to film me and my genuine reaction. Oh my gosh. Urban Decay Stay Naked Quickie, up to 24-hour wear multi-use concealer. Two concealers and a Hydro Maniac Blush Glow Hydrator. Bruh. I just can't believe. I got this package. I was not expecting this. I forgot I filled that form out because it was in May. And it's from Urban Decay, you guys. Like, Urban Decay. How is this possible? I don't know. But they sent me 4 products. 4! They sent me the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray, the original, which is so funny. This is brand new. You can hear it in there. I just bought one from them. I literally just bought one at the end of August, or the beginning of September. I can't remember. I was in Boston and I bought this because I've been wanting a setting spray that really helps my makeup last. And this really does help. Like, it is highly recommended for a reason, y'all. And I'm not even mad that they sent me another one, even though I just bought one. I'm not even mad at it because I love the setting spray and it's $36. I'm in awe. Okay, the other thing they sent me, these are just the boxes I'm showing you real quick, is the Hydro Maniac Blush Glow Hydrator. So I just want to let you know I have tried these products since receiving them and I do like them. I don't have any makeup on today because I'm kind of just chilling and relaxing, but maybe I'm sure later this week I will be doing makeup and I will show you guys how it looks on the face. But this is a cream blush, so let me show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like. That's a lot of blush, y'all. This is gonna last you for a really long time. I don't know how much this retails for, but it's in the shade Drippin', and it is such a beautiful natural flush to the cheek. Like, it genuinely looks like you blushed. And this is a 24-hour Maniac Hydration, Insanely Juicy Flush, Kombucha, Marula oil infused, and it is a vegan formula. And actually, this one I'll show you guys just because it is a cream blush. I'll just show you like really quick on my hand. Look how natural it effortlessly blends out, you guys. It is so pretty. When you put it on your face, it just looks so natural. And I love that for no makeup days. I do love that. I do have another cream blush I use on occasion for no makeup days. So anyways, the last couple things they sent me which I'm sure these are like 30 bucks or something. These are the Stay Naked Quickie up to 24-hour wear multi-use concealer. And they sent it in 2 different shades. I would have been perfect with a medium shade, but they sent me the light medium 40 NN neutral and the medium dark 60 NN neutral. So I don't know if they have an in-between shade. And if they did, that would have worked perfect. But if maybe they sent these because they didn't have any left. So I mixed these together, more of this, just a touch of this. And then it worked really great for concealer. And when I say that this is full coverage, you guys, you know, we're Urban Decay. Like, you know it's full coverage. This is full coverage, which I don't typically do a super full coverage anymore. I just don't. I try to keep it more natural, but it does stay very nicely and it doesn't crease as bad as some of the other concealers I had. So when I wore it, it stayed on for so long, you guys. It says 24-hour long wear, waterproof and transfer resistant concealer. I can tell you that it's transfer resistant. I haven't tested it with waterproof, so I don't know about that. And I don't know about 24 hours. I would say it lasted me, I wore it for 12 hours and it lasted me really, really well. I'm not sure about 24, but, and I'm just being completely honest with you, but, it's a multi-use concealer. So maybe they gave me these, like this one would be a like contour and this one would be a concealer. I'm not really sure. Cause like I said, with PR, it's so different. They don't really send you instructions on what's going on. They just kind of send it, which is so cool. I got PR. What? What in the world? What in the world, you guys? It's so crazy, right? Also, I wanted to show you guys this little find. I put it back in the box to show you. I already opened it. And I bought this before I knew that they sent me a package. I didn't know they sent me a package, and it's so funny. I bought this from Marshall's, and it's the Urban Decay Vice Plumping Shine Lip Balm in the shade Secret Menu. Y'all, I found this for 30 cents at Marshall's. Excuse me? Excuse me? Yeah, I bought it. I had to buy it. I don't know, like, is it old? I don't know. I don't know, guys. It's so clean. It didn't look like anybody had touched it at all, because you know how makeup at Marshall's and TJ Maxx can be questionable. It didn't look like anybody touched it or messed with it. So I went ahead and picked it up. I mean, for 30 cents, dude, I could not pass it up. So wanted to show you guys that. I've been like shopping a lot. When am I not shopping a lot? I did get some clothes too. Let me show you some of the clothing pieces I got recently. I picked up this, I'm sure you saw it in the background already, but it's just a plain little tiered, kind of like a baby doll little cotton dress from the brand Time and Shrew in a size large. I've always wanted one of these dresses because they just seem very easy to throw on and style with sneakers and a jean jacket and go. And it does have pockets. They used to not have pockets and now they do. I just needed something plain and like easy for those in-between days between summer and fall. Even though it has cooled down here, there are some days where it's a little bit warm again. And then sometimes I just don't know what to wear in those in-between times. So I figured having just like a plain cotton, but like on the casual side dress, you know, like I said, put a cute little jacket and some sneakers. And it could just be a very quick, easy, like I have a showing to do, I have an appointment, I have a class to go to or something type of outfit. So I picked that up. They are originally $14.98, but this was on clearance for $11, which is not that much of a steal, but the black sells out first, and then secondly, the gray sells out. And so I just wanted to get my hands on it before it sold out, because I know that if that doesn't get worn for the rest of the year, I know for sure it's going to come in handy for spring, summer, and the beginning of fall, because that's what I was missing from my wardrobe. And not very exciting, but I just found a regular black scoop neck t-shirt from the brand No Boundaries. It was on clearance for $1.50. I got it in the size extra large because No Boundaries is the junior brand, so I always size up on that. But it was originally $3.78, which is already affordable, and I got it for $1.50. Another thing I found, this was a couple weeks ago when I bought this stuff, is these leggings. I got the size large. I picked up a size medium for my sister. I'm going to send them to her. But these are just skinny leggings. It says 7/8. But because I'm short, it just works as regular leggings, which is perfect for me. And there is a size chart on the back. So I got a size large for myself. If you want to be more comfortable though, size up. So like it told me my size is large, but I kind of wish I got an extra large because they are very tight. So I feel like extra large would just be more comfy for lounging. If you want to work out though, get your size that it suggests. But the reason why I got these is because it has a pocket, and I've decided that I refuse to buy any leggings unless they have a pocket for my phone, because it drives me nuts when I don't have anywhere to put my phone. All right, I'm just turning you guys around because it's easier to show you. I need to reorganize this, and I just haven't found the time to do it because there's other things that have been taking priority. So it's kind of messy in here and in my room too. But I found more Target clothes at Big Lots, you guys. I could not pass this up. This is Ava and Viv, and I got in the size X, which is equivalent to a 14, and it was $11.99 at Big Lots, you guys. At Target, it was $28, as you can see. So this is amazing. I love it. I actually need a black cardigan so badly. I love cardigans with a tank top in the transition months, but I didn't have a regular black one, and there was just these certain outfits that were requiring a regular black one, and I was like, how do I not have a basic black one? What is wrong with me? This is the plus size section for Target. I don't typically wear plus size anymore, but this was the only brand that I saw when I went to Big Lots. And you know what? It's a cardigan, so who cares? I got it in a 14, and it looks perfect to me, and it's thick and it's chunky, and you know it's good quality because it's from Target. It feels really warm, and I loved that it had pockets here. You guys know how I am about pockets. Like, I just need pockets, bro. I need them. I'm just gonna put this here. Sorry, my sheets are, I don't make my bed, guys. And I'm just going to be real for you. I'm going to be realistic for you. Found this Nanette Lepore cute top at Big Lots as well. And I always find Nanette Lepore at Marshalls and TJ Maxx. If I'm not mistaken, I have another one by her. Yeah, this is also Nanette Lepore. And I really like her tops. They're very nice, and it's a really nice quality. You guys, this was $7.97 at Big Lots. A gingerbread is what it's called. How cute is that? MSRP $78. Are you kidding me? Good morning. I did not vlog anymore yesterday. Okay, so I'm gonna go upstairs. I already showered for the day. I dyed my hair this morning, which I filmed a little video for, just so people could see the results on dark hair. Nothing too crazy, but I figured I'd vlog it. I have this lovely pimple right here. It's driving me nuts. But I want to show you the last thing I got from Big Lots the other day. I forgot to show you yesterday. I got a ghosty mug. How cute is he? Dude, so cute. $4.99. I absolutely love him. Now that I have showered, and let's look at my other ghosty mug. I love this mug. My friend got it for me. Now that I have showered and done my hair, because I really wanted to dye my hair today. I'm so glad I got that done super early at like 7 in the morning. It is time for me to start getting ready. So I picked up a showing for another agent this morning. Whoop. Are you gonna stay? I picked up a showing this morning for another agent. I'm helping them out, and I have it at 11. So it's at 11, so I have to leave here at least 10:30. About 25 minutes away. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start my makeup. First, I'm putting my skincare on. Then I'm gonna brush my teeth, even though I'm drinking a second cup of coffee. I hate brushing my teeth before drinking coffee. I always brush it after because I want the coffee breath away. So actually, maybe I'll try to finish this really quick, while my skincare and my primers soak in, and then I'll brush my teeth, and then I'll do my makeup, and then I gotta do my hair, and I actually want to style it so it can last a couple days. This is the moisturizer I've been using. It's Pacifica, and I've used this before. I've finished an entire bottle. I love it. It's very light. This would be great for like hot weather, but I found it on sale recently for $4, which is so cheap. If you know, these are always like 15 bucks. So it's the Kale Smoothie Refining Lotion with kale, pear, green pea, and niacinamide. It's a very thin, lightweight lotion if you don't like that greasy, thick moisturizer feeling. This is perfect. I like this for during the day underneath makeup. And then at night, I wear a very thick moisturizer. And then I'm just gonna apply my primer duo, which I figured I'd share with you guys because I've been trying it out for a couple weeks and it's working really, really well. Sometimes primers just don't work for me and I'm like, I don't get it. Why am I doing this extra step for nothing? But this is the combo right here, okay? So I have larger pores and I like to fill them because I just don't like the way they look with the makeup settling in. So this is the e.l.f. Primer Grip, and I'm sure you've heard about this. I think it's a dupe for the Milk makeup one that's green. Anyways, it's like that Super Goop, I think it was called. It's super thick, goopy, and sticky, and it makes your makeup hold really, really well. I also have it in this one. They work the exact same. I like them both. I'm just trying to finish this one. So this one I put on first, and then I take my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is just the regular one, and I'll just take some of that and put it in the areas where I have the larger pores, which is like the T-zone area. And then I let that soak in for like 2 minutes, and then I start my makeup. And this has been a badass duo for me. And then when I finish my makeup, of course, I go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, which has significantly held my makeup for longer hours than it was before. And I just recently got into it again. I am back from my showing. That was quick and easy. I want to sit down and eat an actual meal. It's 1 o'clock. I've only had a protein bar. Hey, so it's days later, but I'm trying to edit this so I can upload it today, and it's getting kind of long. So I wanted to just close it out because I didn't have any more content and it just kind of like dropped off in a random spot because I think I got distracted that day. So anyways, I redid my nails, so I wanted to show you guys real quick the next spooky nails. I had gray glitter last time, and now I've got the traditional black almond. I love me a black almond shaped nail. So here's the funny thing is I was trying to make my nails last a little bit. Money saving hack. Here's what I did. I have the dip gel nail powder or whatever, so the gray nails are like still there. What I did, because they were grown out so far, girl, so I filed them down so that it was like very smooth, you know what I mean? So you can't see that huge dip next to the cuticle where it grew out and whatever. So I filed it, shaped it again, because they get so misshapen when you have them for weeks on end, so you got to reshape them. And then what I did was I put gel nail polish over it, and I put multiple coats, and it looks like I literally got a fill on my nails. Like, it literally looks like a brand new set, and it is not a brand new set. So there's a little hack if you have gel nail polish, how to make your dip nails last longer. I put the gel base on, and it was an abrasive surface because I did all the filing. And then I actually don't have a black gel polish, so I use black regular nail polish. This is a hack I found on TikTok. If you let it completely dry, then you can put top coat on it. And I put 2 layers of top coat, and it's nice and thick and strong. And yeah, so this is how you make your nails last another month without looking crazy. Like, one thing I cannot stand is grown out nails. Had to do it. And then after this, I'm gonna go to a salon to get it redone again. But I'm gonna keep doing this to make them last even longer, because then I don't only have to get my nails done like every 2 months or something. So anyways, hope that helps. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and give it a thumbs up if you are liking the vlogs. I've been trying to bring them back. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. If you love spookiness, if you love shopping, you will love it here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.